We came to Bryce Canyon because we thought it would look pretty in the snow. We weren't really expecting this. We haven't been able to see much, but what we have seen has been really pretty, but it's snowing quite a lot. I keep breathing in snowflakes. Oh baby, we're making it.
The sun came out!
It did. Oh my gosh. It's so deep. Ah! The snow is knee deep. I don't know where we're going. We're now standing in a creek. It's the only place where there's not snow. We're trying to figure out where we're going.
This doesn't look right.
None of this looks right. We found the right trail, we think. There are footprints going this way, so we took that as a good sign. But I guess we'll find out. Oh, there's the bridge. Oh, good. This is the right way. Oh, thank goodness. Do you see this? This is crazy. So we found this waterfall down here. It's all icicles. But we just ran into two people. Those people who said it wasn't really worth it. And I said the cave is much more exciting, and they said it's this way. Okay, yeah, this is cool. This is really cool. It finally cleared up, and we're excited. We're running, trying not to slip in the snow. Oh yeah, that's a lot more.